Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to this quick session where we will see 3 mistakes commonly seen in this very popular pranayama practice, Kapalbhati. These are questions that I frequently see in my comment section. First question is the focus on the inhale or exhale when we practice Kapalbhati? When we do this practice, the focus is more on our exhalation. The exhalation is active and the inhalation is passive. First, inhale simply, fully exhale. Now, the next time you exhale, you're going to pull your navel back towards your spine. So you can hear the sound only when you're exhaling. Inhalation is passive. The second confusion is about the movement in the abdomen. Do we push the belly out or in when we exhale and inhale? So in Kapalbhati or in any pranayama practice, when you exhale, you're pulling your navel back towards your spine. You can try that by placing your hands on your belly. It's a quick movement. You're snapping your navel back towards your spine. Inhalation happens automatically. The belly moves forward when the air goes in. The third question that is frequently asked is the speed at which we need to do the practice. I always like to tell everyone, it is not the number of strokes you do, but the quality of the stroke. So your focus has to be on that. To begin, you can do about 1 stroke every 2 seconds and then slowly progress to doing 1 stroke every second. Once you are comfortable with the technique, then you can do up to 120 strokes in a minute. What is important is that you're pulling your navel back towards your spine and the movement is more focused on your abdominal region and not in your shoulders or your neck. And also it's important that your facial muscles, your neck, your jaw, your shoulders are relaxed. If you have any other questions related to Kapalbhati or any other pranayama, please write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.